Hello, welcome to the Quick Pallet Maker web application. Here we will compare a calculation made on a web browser with one made with the Quick Pallet Maker desktop application. The first step here is to log in using an email and a password. When we log in, we will see here the web app, okay? And we can add pallet constraints, and we can add pallets, physical pallets. Then, after doing that, we will calculate the boxes that are added in the products list. So let's first add the physical pallets, which is the pallet itself. We have some dimensions. We can add it manually. We can add a pallet code, an additional name and a description, and a length, width, height, and weight. Or we can upload everything using a text file. That's what we'll do. We upload, we choose a file. In this case, it's empty pallet file. We load it, and we will see that we have here 5 different types of pallets. Now, these are just the pallets themselves. They don't have any constraints attached to them. So we see, for instance, the Euro pallet measures 1,200 by 800 by 145 millimeters, and it weighs 30 kilograms. That can be changed and can be edited. We can look it up, and we can edit it if we wish. Okay. Now we will add the pallet constraints, which include a maximum load, height, and weight. So we go to the base section, we upload the file. It's another file, sample data, and here we load it, and we see that we have a Euro pallet, okay, that has a maximum height of 2.12 meters, okay, it has a maximum weight, and this is the one that we will use for the calculation. Now we will add a sample list of products. These products can be reused as many times as needed. So we go to the products section, the boxes, and we could add them manually, but we want to add them with a file too. We upload, choose a file, we load it, and we see that we have a list of products here. They have their numbers and descriptions, and they have their dimensions. Here in this case, they're in inches and pounds, but they can be calculated with mixed units. So now we will do a calculation. We click on the ship database part, and we will select the pallet. In this case, it's the Euro 2120, the one that has a maximum height of 2,120 millimeters. And we will import a shipment. That shipment file has the information of how many boxes we want to ship of each type. So we click here, we load it. Here's some test data. And it has a small number of boxes of each type. It has 3 of this one, 2 of this other one, 5 of this type, etc. So this is the one that we will calculate. We have the calculation mode and how they're sorted. And we just click on the output tab. It calculates and it produces 2 different pallets. Okay. These pallets we can use to generate a report. We click on the report tab and we see that automatically has one type of report there. This one we can export it, which is the pallet report. And we can also export a report that is layer by layer. We select this one and it saves it as an HTML file. We can view it and we will see the report here. Okay, each drawing represents a layer, so it's step-by-step assembly of a pallet. Okay, we can do something similar with a desktop application. We run the desktop application, Quick Pallet Maker. Let's hide the other part. And here we go, File, New Data Sheet, Box on Pallet. We have a small window here. And then here we can select the Euro pallet. We add the maximum height to 120. And we use information that's in the spreadsheet. This information has the same number of boxes, but it also has the dimensions. It has the box amounts, code and description, and all the information. We just copy it, paste it here, and then we can calculate the shipment. Tools, calculate box shipment, and we will get a similar result. We will get one pallet and another pallet. We select them both, and we can generate a similar report. Print report. You see it here. This is a desktop application. There's a third way how to calculate this, which is with the API. But this is not part of this example. Thank you.